Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Manu Issue ACCA classes. So in this video, we will be learning about the employment income and the tax which will be applicable in case of the employment income. Okay, so basically in previous video we learned about the how to differentiate between the employment income and the self-employment income. Then we learn about how to calculate the employment income, taxable income basically, and what kind of expense we are going to deduct against the employment income. So these are the things we learned about employment income in our previous video. So in this video we will be learning about what kind of tax and NIC will be applicable. Okay, so when we are earning money from the job, it's whatever the amount we get from the our employer, so-called salary, and we have to pay certain tax on those amount. In UK, basically I'm talking about UK. So first of all, employment income is categorized under the non-saving head. You remember my first class where I had teach you about that the income from the categorized under the three head: non-saving, saving, and the dividend one. So employment income is categorized under the non-saving one, and the tax rate is 20, 40, 45% depending on the taxable band. Band the individual is falling, right? And apart from the income tax, the individual has to also pay an IC on those income. Okay, and it might be paid by the individual itself, or it's his or her employer. So there are three kind of NIC which will be applicable. That is called class 1 employee NIC, class 1 employer NIC, and class 1A employer NIC. So basically class 1 employee NIC is very straightforward. It is paid by employee only on the cash benefit that they receive from the employer, like cash voucher, salary, or there might be other things as well, which is if anything benefit that individual is receiving in the form of the cash, on that employee have to pay class 1 NIC. Same case goes for the employer. Employer also have to pay class 1 NIC on the income, on the salary that individual is getting on the cash benefit. And if in case of non-cash benefit, employer also have to pay class 1A NIC. Okay, so detail of this will be talking about on later on video. So tab tak ke liye stay tuned with my channel and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So one more thing, for till now you must know about that NIC is class 1 employer NIC is that employer have a certain allowance available, that is the 5,000 to reduce their total NIC bill, right? But this is not available in case that company has only one employee and who is a director, or in case company total class 1 employer NIC exceed 100,000 in the previous tax year. If these two factors are there, then the allowance will not be available. Otherwise, they can have a 5,000 of allowance that they can claim to reduce their NIC bill. Right, so these are for the basic thing which I have been explaining in this video. In coming later on video, I will be explaining much more concepts that are relevant for the ATX and P6 F6 student. So tab tak ke liye stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.